Feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications crowding your status bar? Or maybe you're worried about missing important alerts buried in the chaos. Don't worry. In this simple guide, I'll walk you through managing your status bar notification icons on Xiaomi phones. Let's dive in. To start, grab your Xiaomi phone and navigate to the settings. Then, scroll down a bit until you spot Notifications and Control Center. Next, give it a tap. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Status Bar. Now, if you prefer not to see app icons when you receive notifications from them, simply toggle off Show Notifications icon. But if you do want to see them, just toggle this feature on. And voila! You'll now see the app icons on the notification bar whenever you receive a notification. That's all there is to it. You have successfully managed your status bar notification icons on Xiaomi phones. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Interested in more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty more coming your way soon. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.